Hi, I thought I'd make a small video on this Technics XP-7 mini CD player. I'm sure if you're looking at this, you know pretty much all the stats of this. They have a direct drive motor. This unit has been gone through, has had about 8 or 10 electrolytics replaced, mainly in this power supply. The switches have all been cleaned, and it's in really good shape, really clean. Comes with the outer case, which is not that great a shape, but this is not pretty near mint. It's like a little jewel, I think. It comes with the original power pack, which I'll show a little later on. The power pack has also been recapped. A lot of people fail to do that. These caps are over 35 years old. This unit was actually made in December of 1985. So this unit is a little different in that, hold on a second, okay. In low light, unlike some of the Sonys and all, you can't see the display. Well, this one, you can. I don't know if anybody's ever else has done something like this, but it's not really backlit display. It's more side-lit display, but works in low light very, very good. In fact, you can see it really good with these ceiling lights on. It takes a little bit of power when you start up from the main thing. We'll go with let's try. This is some Beethoven, and you can watch the needles. This is a Panasonic RX 7000. And then we hit play. You can see it a little flickering, not bad. The needles, it's even, plays evenly, counts up, shows you're blinking. Let me zoom in. And that didn't work out good. But this is playing off of the back line out. You can play out of the headphone jack too, and then you have a volume on that. But I usually go by what they suggest, which is the output line. It can search forward, it can go backwards, and then you can hit skip. That'll shut it off. Or if you play and it's playing, you don't like that song, you just hit this once, goes to the next song. And it's very quick. You can actually hear, what's really nice about these is when it's actually going from one track to the next, it has a solenoid or relay that disconnects the output until it gets to the song. You can actually hear it click. They all do that. I have others. Not as nice as this. This is the nicest one I have. Let me show you. Nice and easy. Okay. These direct drive motors are not like these little crappy motors that are even in the Sonys. Okay. They have heavier shaft and heavier bushings. And on my auction, on the last page, I have a picture of these being rebushed and how to do rebushings. I actually was taught how to do that. And it's lubed internally between the bushings. So it probably pretty much would last a really long time. The glass on the top, plastic, is like really, really nice. Doesn't even really have too many fine scratches. I can't think of what else. You can write me with any questions or anything. Oh, this part here, the outer case, still has the batteries in them. It's kind of got a grayish, yellowish to it. It's not the greatest shape. But let's try this while I'm doing this. Let's stop this, open it up, and then let's take a CD rewrite and put that in, and it counts up. It's 45 minutes, and we hit this. This is actually from a record that was recorded onto a computer. Now, this is not a digital CD. This is the regular analog. It'll only show one track because the whole side is just one song. This is Rimsky-Korsakov, Scheherazade. And you can fast forward. It also has your time remaining. There is also on these, they have a high and low button. It's kind of hard to hear on here. A lot of those go bad. But all in all, a pretty nice set. I'll have pictures on the auction. I might be able to. How much time I got? I have a couple minutes. But let me stop this. Open this up. As you can see, insides are really nice. When you do the bushes, this is really nice and smooth. It keeps it steady and helps on your on the eye. Closes good. Closes secure. It's a side. This side. You have volume and so forth, and back. Now, and then, let me turn this off. You have the original power supply. It's in really good shape. They use one screw that comes off, and that's how you get into them, and I changed it. If you want proof, you don't believe me that it's been recapped, I'll have to take it apart and send you a picture, but it's been all redone. So if you guys have any questions or anything, let me know. Okay, thank you. Bye.